friends. How are you today? Good. Before we get started, I have some very exciting news for you. We are going to start in-person story times on Mondays at 10 a.m. starting February 28th. So when we do that, we're going to start phasing out our recorded story times and coming back to the library in person. So I hope I get to see you here at the library Mondays at 10 a.m. starting February 28th. All right, today we're going to read some stories about ducks. What do ducks say? Yeah, quack, 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 quack. So before we get started reading about ducks, let's sing our song so we're ready to listen. If you don't know the words, that's okay. You can follow along with your hands. So we start like this, hands together like a sandwich. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Good job. All right, the first book we're going to read is called Duck at the Door. Have you ever had a duck at your door? I haven't, but I've seen lots of ducks out and about. Duck at the Door by Jackie Urbanovich. And we're reading this one with permission from HarperCollins. What's going on in this picture? What do you see? Yeah, duck is outside and it's winter. It looks very cold. Ooh. We're still walking in that snow. It was a quiet night until thunk, creak, and knock, knock, knock. Someone's out there. Let's go ask Irene. She always knows what to do. Irene, cried Brody, help! Someone's knocking on our door. It's the middle of the night, said Irene. Who could be knocking at our door? It's a duck. Irene brought the duck inside. Quack! My name is Max, he began. I was born in the spring and I loved it. I stayed behind when my flock flew south because I thought I'd love winter too, but it turned out to be cold and very lonely. Winter isn't so bad when you have a warm home, said Irene. At first, Max had a lot to learn. In January, he learned to use the remote control. He enjoyed Wild Kingdom and Worldwide Wrestling. In February, he discovered he had a flair for cooking. By March, he had made himself right at home. But by April, it was clear that Max had learned too much. There goes another Saturday night. Another rerun. Rerun? I got it memorized. Give me that. Fighting over the remote, aren't they? Do you do that at your house sometimes? Dakota, Coco, and Jessie Bear got tired of Max's new recipes. So he's made, Max's tofu surprise, swish kebab a la Max, and Max's seaweed chowder. Not stuff that cats typically eat. And Brody was just tired. Someone had to talk to Max. But who? Who do you think they're going to make talk to Max? I think they're going to make Irene talk to Max too. Just then, Max burst into the room yelling, "Listen to the quacking! My flock is returned! I can't wait to see them! Irene, please keep my chef's hat, and Brody, you have my rubber duckies. I will miss you all so much." After many hugs, Max left. With Max gone, life was ordinary again. The cats went back to eating plain cat food. No one played keep away with the remote control, and Brody didn't have to share his bed. Life was so quiet that by October, everyone was happy to hear the sound of quacking. When there was a knock at the door, everyone was hoping the same thing. Max? Is it Max? Do you think it's Max? Let's see. Max! They all shouted with joy. "Are you staying with us all winter?" "Yes," said Max. "And my flock!" Everyone looked at Irene, hoping she would say something. "That is a lot of ducks." But all she could say was, "Welcome home." The end. Oh, lucky ducks, aren't they? It gives a whole new meaning to that phrase, lucky ducks. All right, let's sing a song. This is a counting song. We're going to start with one white duck. All right, here we go. One white duck went wandering out, looking for someone to love him. When in the blink of an eye, from up in the sky, another white duck did join him. One white duck plus one white duck equals two white ducks. All right, we have two ducks. Two white ducks went wandering out, looking for someone to love them. And just round the bend, as fast as the wind, another white duck did join them. One white duck plus one white duck plus one white duck equals three white ducks. All right, so we had two, we added one, and then we got three. Let's see, we've got three. Let's see if another one joins us. Here we go. Three white ducks went wandering out, looking for someone to love them. They started in the morning, and then without warning, another white duck did join them. One white duck plus one white duck plus one white duck plus one white duck equals four white ducks. So there we have 3 plus 1 equals 4. Let's see what else we got. 4 white ducks went wandering out, looking for someone to love them. They walked for a bit, then lickety-split, another white duck did join them. One white duck plus one white duck plus one white duck plus one white duck plus one white duck equals 5 white ducks. Good job! We counted all the way up to 5, and we got in some subtraction words, plus and equals. All right, let's read another story. Oops. This is called Ducks Run Amok. And so ducks run amok. Run amok means kind of go crazy and run all over the place. So let's see what happens with these ducks. Oh, excuse me. Ducks Run Amok by J.E. Morris. We're reading this one with permission from Penguin Workshop. What do you notice in this picture? Yeah, there's some birds flying in the sky. There's somebody in the pond. Who's in the pond? A turtle. There's a turtle in the pond. A flock of ducks flies in a row. They look and see a pond below. They stop their flight to take a swim. Soon the pond's full to the brim. Here's the turtle. He's saying, "Who are you guys?" The ducks all flap. They splish and splash. The party starts, a poolside bash. Hey, cut it out! Some more ducks come and join the crowd. A duck band plays. They're really loud. The band name on here, it says the Screaming Ducks. So just think about how loud that's going to be. All kinds of ducks are on the scene. Old ducks, young ducks, even green. Oh, the turtle says, "I am not a duck." Some ducks have flat, webby toes. Green duck has a stubby nose. I am not a duck. Green duck's back is hard and tough. He has no down. He has no fluff. I am not a duck. But ducks don't look at shell or feather. Ducks are ducks. They flock together. The turtle says, "Seriously?" The ducks all dance. They spin and quack. Quack, 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 quack. You can put me down now. Their tummies growl. They need a snack. Hey, look! Some ducks inside a truck are selling pies and cakes. What luck! Hooray! Oh no, not more ducks! The ducks like cakes, and all the rest, but they like sweet cream pies the best. Hey, these aren't bad. Each duck buys 2. They cost $1. 1 to eat and 1 to... What do you think they're going to do with those pies? Let's see. Chuck! What's going on? Duck! They're having a pie fight. Knock it off, you rowdy ducks! The pie ducks hop into their truck. The rest clean up the sticky muck. The flock heads off to parts unknown. The green duck stays there all alone. I told you I am not a dupe. Beep, beep. Uh-oh. Yay! It's kids from the school. It says Camp Muck-a-Duck. The turtle says, I need to find another pond. All right. So, here I have a duck. What? You said it's not a duck? You don't think it's a duck? What could it be? A rabbit? I don't think it's a rabbit. It's a duck. See, here's its bill. Oh, you think those are his ears? No way. No, no, no. It's totally a duck. Look, he's going to eat this piece of bread. Oh, you think he's a rabbit? And he's going to eat this carrot instead? I don't know. I think this is a duck. And the duck is going deep into the swamp. What? It's not a rabbit in the grass. It's a duck in the swamp. Oh, Can you hear that noise? To me, it sounds like quacking. You think it sounds like the rabbit sniffing? Well, I think it's a duck, and the duck is diving down into the water to get some food. The rabbit's hot, and he's dipping his ears in the water? I don't know about that. I'm pretty sure it's a duck. You still think it's a rabbit? Well, what should we do? What do you think? I don't know. Oh! Hey, look! It's an anteater! No, it's not a brachiosaurus. So silly. It's kind of fun to play pretend like that and see different things and different objects. All right, friends, that's all the time we have for today. So we need to sing our goodbye for now song. So I'm going to, down here, I'm going to play my ukulele, but up there in the corner, I'm going to do the actions. So if you want to do the actions, you can follow along with me up there in the corner. All right? This is called Skin-a-ma-rink. Skin-a-ma-rinky-dinky-dink, skin-a-ma-rinky-doo. I love you. Skin-a-ma-rink. Oh, sorry, I lost my page. Skin-a-ma-rinky-dinky-dink, skin-a-ma-rinky-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Oh, skin-a-ma-rinky-dinky-dink, skin-a-ma-rinky-doo. I love your singing. I love you, you're all terrific. I love you, I'll catch you next time. I love you, boop-boop-be-doo. Mwah! All right, friends, I will see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.